Welcome to One Love Doula Services guide on how to use a nipple shield. My name is Yamel. I'm a registered nurse, doula, childbirth educator, parenting podcast host, and international board-certified lactation consultant. Nipple shields should in general be considered a short-term solution and should be used under the guidance of a lactation consultant. Let's get started. A nipple shield is a flexible silicone nipple that is worn over the breastfeeding person's nipple during a feeding session. You may be thinking, why would I need a nipple shield? Not every breastfeeding person needs a shield. We often introduce a shield when nipples are cracked or bleeding, when the breastfeeding person has flat or inverted nipples, when your baby is experiencing trouble staying latched due to oral restrictions. A nipple shield can help stimulate a suck reflex since it is longer and will extend to the roof of the baby's mouth. And we also add a nipple shield when we are transitioning baby from bottle to breast. Some things to consider. A nipple shield often comes in different sizes, much like the flange sizes of your pump, and it's important to have a proper fitting shield. Keeping a close eye on baby's output, such as pees and soiled diapers, helps you to determine that the baby is getting enough at every feed. So we recommend keeping a diaper log, and we'll add more information in the links below on how to assess proper intake. Let's review how to use a shield. I personally recommend contact shields with our clients. This is when the shield has a cutout, as seen here. Your baby's nose is able to land within that cutout. This helps them make contact with the breast. To use your shield, wash your hands thoroughly prior to touching the shield. It may be helpful to moisten the shield around the edges with water or breast milk. Push the tip in and hold both sides of the shield or wings. Apply against your nipple, and the tip should pop out or wrap around your nipple. The shield should fit comfortably without pinching. You would bring your baby to the breast as normal, and your infant's lips should reach the base of the nipple. Now, how do you store your nipple shield? You're gonna wanna wash and air dry your nipple shield after each use, and store in container it comes in. Or it can be placed in a reusable bag or a Ziploc bag when not in use. There is no specified time frame for replacement, and since typically clients use this tool temporarily, it can last a while without breakdown and with proper rinsing and drying. Thank you for watching One Love Doula Services guide on using a nipple shield. If you enjoyed this video, you can find in-depth tutorials and more videos just like this in our digital library, including our mini birth course, which includes details on early breastfeeding success. Link available in the description. Working with a lactation consultant can be extremely helpful for lactation education, troubleshooting of issues, and overall support of your lactation goals. Reach out if you are local to the Tampa Bay area or in another state or even country for virtual support. Until next time.